Hello and welcome everybody to the last section and the last unit of this video series explaining SDD. There will be one more section on deployment, but that will be an extra section which will teach you how you can deploy your AI built app to production. So that would cover deployment overview, preparing the app for installation, getting the build package and version notes, choosing the hosting that fits the stack, creating a server space and database, uploading files and configuring environment, performance backups and database care, and how to execute the installer and install your app. So that section will be dedicated entirely for these kind of work. So from the SDD perspective, this would be the last section and the last unit. So let's dive right into the last section and let's begin. All right. We built WorkshopHub with hybrid SDD. One agent file, phases, fluid prose specs, but there are whole frameworks for this. The two big names are SpecKit and OpenSpec. Worth knowing. Absolutely. Is it worth knowing? Absolutely. Same religion, different rituals. The trade. The honest framing first. Frameworks make SDD more documentation heavy, more tedious, more bureaucratic. What you lose in fluidity, you gain in rigor. And underneath, it is always the same 4 beats we have lived by: specification, planning, tasks, implementation. No framework escapes that. Now let's take a look at SpecKit. SpecKit commands, okay? SpecKit gives you commands. And here's the fun part. You have already done every one of them by hand. Init scaffolds the project structure. Constitution defines the rules. Coding style, quality and security standards. That's literally our CLAUDE.md. Specify describes what to build. Functional requirements, expected behavior, no tech talk yet, our hybrid specs, and clarify makes the agent hunt ambiguities and ask for missing details before assuming. That's our golden rule, packaged as a command. Remember? Now let's take a look at more SpecKit commands. Then the execution half. Plan, architecture, technology stack, system design. It's the same thing. Our stack section plus the implementation plan. Tasks. The plan broken into actionable steps in implementation order. Our tasks.md. Analyze is a nice extra. It checks consistency, mismatches between specs, plan, and tasks. before any code exists, and implement runs the whole thing, and AI executes task by task under the hood. SpecKit is a layer on top of Claude Code. The commands are shortcut for prompts you could write yourself. Organization and the verdict. Organization differs too. SpecKit splits everything per feature. A specs folder with authentication.spec.md, blog.spec.md, matching plans and tasks folder. Spec, plan, tasks, implement, repeat per feature. We kept one constitution with phases, one general plan, one tasks file. My verdict. For me, our hybrid way is more convenient. But if your project or team demands maximum rigor, SpecKit is a genuine help. And OpenSpec. Different mechanics, exact same concept. Specification, planning, tasks, implementation. Once you know the 4 beats, every framework is just a dialect. So, hybrid, strict, SpecKit, OpenSpec. Pick the ritual that fits. The religion stays the same. So here we finish the spec-driven development theory. We will start with practicals after completing our brand new section on deployment. So the new section is next, and that would be our last one, as I said, deploying WorkshopHub to production from zip file to live site. Okay? And after that, we will start doing the practicals. Build WorkshopHub from scratch. And I have also thought about starting a new series wherein I will be talking about the current affairs of the AI, and that will keep you all updated with the recent developments that's happening or that happens every day in the AI market. So that's another thought, and that's another thing which I have thought I would start. Those would be segmented under nuggets because they will be short bites of information and explanation, of course. And I shall also be uploading the zipped file of a workshop hub that I created earlier, so that every one of you can install it on your local and play with it, play around it, and then it would be easier for you to follow this theory. Once you know the look and feel, the UI, and how the site works, then I think it would be easier for you to follow the theory. So yeah, and another announcement. I will be launching Prompt Vidya AI Hindi channel soon, wherein I would be discussing about spec-driven development in Hindi or English. so that it would also enable people who who have really asked me for coming up with these English content, so it would satiate them as well, and yeah, that would help us grow our community of in our Desi region. So that's all from my side. See you in the next section. Bye for now. Keep rocking. Take good care of yourself. And never, never, never forget to peace out. Bye bye and take care. Sayonara.